instantly fix the frustrating escape from Tarkov Cannot Find Uninstall.exe Error plaguing your Windows 11 system right now. This persistent issue prevents proper game removal, but we've got the definitive solutions. First, open your Battlestate Games launcher, select Escape from Tarkov, and run the integrity check. This often rebuilds missing or corrupted files, including the crucial uninstall.exe, allowing you to proceed. If that doesn't resolve the uninstall.exe error, the problem likely lies with orphan files or registry entries, which brings us to method 2. You'll manually navigate to the game's installation folder, delete it completely, then open regedit to carefully remove any lingering escape from Tarkov entries. Remember to back up your registry first. If manual cleanup feels daunting, method 3 involves a powerful third-party uninstaller. These tools specialize in deep scans, forcing stubborn programs like Tarkov to fully disappear and scrubbing away all hidden remnants. Finally, for the most resilient errors, method 4 utilizes PowerShell. Running as administrator, use the getapex package command to identify the exact Tarkov package, then remove apps package to force a complete system-level deletion. This powerful approach ensures escape from Tarkov is truly gone, restoring your Windows 11 system's cleanliness and performance.